next big business. So anyway, where are you all going?
Not only are you dead killing us, I'm having fun.
Only they said to stay seated.
Oh, that's a load of cork. They're flying backwards. Hey, I can see our car. You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You don't want to hurt me, Ball. We're both big and round and never finished high school. Save me, turn.
Welcome to a magical journey through my mouth. You're all gonna die. The kiddie ride. At least we're safe.
Panda begs to differ. You shut up! Hey, we...
Alone at last.
I'm trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Now, because I want to be fair, a piece of advice. Resist every temptation I place in front of you.
Oh, beer!
Henry, it's a temptation.
When did beer hurt anybody? I hate chain reaction!
You foiled my plans for the last time.
You soiled your pants for the last time? We'll save you! Onward, convenient whale!
Maybe that exit sign leads to an exit! Marge, stay away from the ramp! I mean ramps!
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
The radiation hit to Maggie!
They go up so fast!
That's a hard choice.
Do not fear, a bird is
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
Careful, the baby is wet and presumed cranky.
I'm not gonna change that diaper.
Mommy's coming, giant Maggie! Come on, Maggie! Destroy something!
Hey, you break it, you pocket!
Get away from my baby! Maggie, that's not pacifier! Get those tourists out of there now! When they can!
Home sweet home! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are slapping my face!
That's nothing, gravity! I'm a baby bird! This must be the time when they take your picture. Okay? Smile!
That's only 5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again! I want to go again!
Well, that's all right. Hey, what the...
Free photos only if you go through the line. If you cut through here, it's $5.